You watching Top 5 Best Humidifiers. Number 5. Varnado Humidifier. Automatic humidity control. Electronic humidistat 3 fan settings, low, high, auto. Push button controls. Easy confirmation of settings. 1 gallon tank capacity. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Humidifies up to 600 SQ Fort. Through the use of vortex circulation. 2 gallon output every 24 hours. LED lights for easy confirmation. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Pure Guardian H4610. Silver clean protection fights the growth. Great for medium to large rooms. You choose warm or cool mist to optimize your comfort. Electronic control options include night light, 12-hour timer and 3-speed settings. Large 2-gallon tank provides up to 120 hours of runtime. Ultrasonic technology quietly disperses fine mist, providing relief from the dry air. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Bancoeros with 7147. 24 hours of continuous operation. 1 gallon water tank. Large tank and powerful steam output provides ideal coverage. Large bedrooms, offices, and other rooms up to 500 square feet. Offers soothing lighting for maximum relaxation. Choose between blue, green, and red. Safely turns humidifier off when water level is low or the water tank is removed. Humidifier, AC power adapter, disc cleaning brush. 5-year warranty. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Misty Rexel Ultrasonic Cool. 24 hours of continuous operation. Large tank and powerful steam output provides ideal coverage. Offers soothing lighting for maximum relaxation. Large bedrooms, offices, and other rooms up to 500 square feet. Safely turns humidifier off when water level is low or the water tank is removed. 5-year warranty. Humidifier, AC power adapter, disc cleaning brush. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Venti Air Washer LW25. Humidifies dry room air while simultaneously purifying it by removing dust, pollen, pet dander, and other allergens. For rooms up to 400 square feet. No filter or replacement items needed to operate the unit, water is the filter. No white dust common with other humidifiers. Auto shut off with water refill indicator light, 2 gallon capacity. Please check the description for details and update price.